Hello children, we are in our maths class. How are you all? I hope you are keeping fit and fine at home. Children, as we have continued with the topic of multiplication, we are now coming to the end of the topic where you are required to frame a multiplication word problem. Till now, we were only solving the multiplication questions. We have solved many kinds of multiplication questions. Now, the question is that we have to make a question for a given number statement. So, how we are going to frame a simple multiplication word problem? Let us see. Some words which are used in multiplication problems are times, then we have in all, we have the word product, multiple, multiplied by, each and of. Like we say for the case of times, like so many times he went to school, he went jogging, or he took a round 4 times around the park. In all, बिकॉज मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज बेसिकली रिपीटेड एडिशन है ना, तो हम लोग बोलते हैं एंड में हाउ मेनी बैग्स आर देयर इन ऑल और हाउ मेनी वॉचेज आर देयर इन ऑल. इन वन बैग देर आर 15, वी हैव गॉट 20 बैग, सो इन ऑल हाउ मेनी. सो जब हम टोटल फाइंड करते हैं सो वी राइट द वर्ड इन ऑल. Then product, we all know the answer of multiplication is product, so product is used. What is the multiple of, ऐसे भी करके बोल सकते हैं. This multiplied by, you have two numbers, so one multiplied by the other number, each and of. So all these words are usually found in a multiplication problem, and we can use these words to frame our multiplication problems. Now let's move ahead and see some examples. Now here is the first example, wherein like you can make a sentence like this: the number of things that are in each set, or you have to be precisely mentioning one set. हम एक सेट के बारे में बताते हैं. like for example here, each carton has 12 eggs, तो हमने एक का वैल्यू डिफाइन कर दिया. ठीक है. like we can say each book rack has got 20 books, or we can say each box has, या each basket has, या one person has. So we are defining the value of one thing. Then comes the second part, where we are telling that how many total number of cartons or how many total number of sets are there. So like we have 56 cartons, or we can say total there are 45 book racks, total there are 28 shelves, total there are 34 baskets. तो हम एक के वैल्यू को बताते हैं और ये बताते हैं कि जिस एक की हमने वैल्यू बताई है उसके जैसे और कितने हैं. सो देन वी गेट द सेकेंड वैल्यू, एंड फाइनली वी हैव टू फ्रेम द क्वेश्चन एज टू हाउ मेनी एग्स डज शी हैव इन, या हाउ मेनी बुक्स आर देयर इन ऑल, हाउ मच मनी हैज बीन कलेक्टेड, या फिर हाउ मच mangoes, yeah, apples are there in the basket. So depending upon what kind of a number statement we have to frame the word problem according to it. Now let us take one more example. Now over here the number statement is 567 multiplied by 35. Now for this we can make a simple word problem like Ravi gets rupees 567 a day. If he works for 35 days, how much money will he earn? So we have specified, एक दिन की हमने इसमें बता दिया है कि उसको कितने पैसे मिल रहे हैं. Then we have also showed here how many days he has been working. So the other value has been given to you, that is 35. So now we can easily find the total money he is going to earn by multiplying 567 into 35. So we will be writing the word problem accordingly. Now let us take another example. Now in here what you can see, 2567 multiplied by 56. तो इसके लिए हमने क्या सोल्यूशन रखा, अ स्टोरेज टैंक. हमने एक एग्जांपल ले लिया, अ स्टोरेज टैंक कंटेन्स 2567 ml of water. How much water can be stored in 56 such tanks? Again, value of one I have told and value of many others you have to find of the same kind. यहाँ पे हम same kind की बात कर रहे हैं. Now let us take another example. Now over here, like you have got this question, 6754 multiplied by 45. Now you have to write a word problem for this. So how will you do it? Let me help you with this. You can say that a factory produces 6754 meters of cloth per day. How much cloth or what quantity of cloth can be produced in 45 days? Okay. So this way you can make a word problem for this question. Now you have got the number of number statements here. So now you try and practice these to make your word problems. Okay. Thank you children, and practice.